Modern Real Estate Practice, page 410. The largest source of formaldehyde in any building is likely to be the off-gassing from pressed wood products made using adhesives that contain urea formaldehyde, UF resins. Pressed wood products include particle board, hardwood plywood paneling, and medium density fiberboard. It is also used in carpeting and ceiling tiles. Since 1985, HUD has regulated the use of plywood and particle board so that they conform to specified formaldehyde emission levels in the construction of prefabricated homes and manufactured housing. New regulations that will be enforced by the EPA under the Formaldehyde Standards for Composite Wood Products Act, enacted in 2010, went into effect in 2013. More information can be found at www.epa.gov/opptintr/chemtest/formaldehyde/. Urea formaldehyde foam insulation, UFFI. Once popular, then banned, and now legal again, is rarely used. When incorrectly mixed, urea formaldehyde foam insulation never properly cures, resulting in strong emissions shortly after installation. Studies have shown that formaldehyde emissions generally decrease over time. So homes where urea formaldehyde foam insulation was installed many years ago are unlikely to still have high levels of formaldehyde unless the insulation is exposed to extreme heat or moisture. Real estate professionals should check their state's property disclosure form to see whether urea formaldehyde foam insulation must be disclosed. Appraisers should also be aware of the presence of formaldehyde. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, CO, is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that occurs as a byproduct of burning fuels such as wood, oil, and natural gas. Owing to incomplete combustion, carbon monoxide is quickly absorbed by the body, where it inhibits the blood's ability to transport oxygen, resulting in dizziness and nausea. As carbon monoxide concentrations increase, the symptoms become more severe, and death may occur within a short time. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, www.cpsc.gov, about 170 deaths from non-automotive carbon monoxide poisoning occur in the United States each year. Thousands of other individuals require hospital emergency room care annually. Many cases arise from the use of portable generators in areas that have undergone a natural disaster. In addition to portable generators, furnaces, water heaters, space heaters, fireplaces, and wood stoves all produce CO as a natural result of their combustion of fuel. When these units are functioning properly and are properly ventilated, their CO emissions are not a problem. However, improper ventilation or equipment malfunctions can allow large quantities of carbon monoxide to be released into a residence or commercial structure in a very short amount of time. Carbon monoxide is a problem often encountered by property managers if tenants use kerosene heaters. More information is available at www.epa.gov/IAQ/co.html. In practice, carbon monoxide detectors are available, sometimes in combination with smoke detectors. And their use is mandatory in some areas. Even if it is not, a property manager should discuss with the landlord the importance of installing a detector in any rental property that is equipped with an appliance or heater that might create a carbon monoxide problem. Annual maintenance of heating systems also helps avoid carbon monoxide exposure. Polychlorinated biphenyls. Polychlorinated biphenyls, BCBs, consist of more than 200 chemical compounds that are not found naturally in nature. Flame resistant, they were often used in electrical equipment, such as transformers, electrical motors, in refrigerators. End of page. It shows the links here. Page 411. Caulking compounds and hydraulic oil in older equipment. The EPA has classified polychlorinated biphenyls as reasonably carcinogenic, and these chemicals have been implicated in lower fertility and shortened lifespans. Although the commercial distribution of polychlorinated biphenyls was banned in 1979, polychlorinated biphenyls remain in the environment because burning them at more than 2,400 degrees in a closed environment is the only known way to destroy them. Polychlorinated biphenyls are most likely a concern for commercial and industrial property managers. These managers should ask the local utility company to identify and remove any type of transformer that might be a source of polychlorinated biphenyls. If the polychlorinated biphenyls leak into the environment, penalties and removal methods are expensive. Chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, are non-toxic, non-flammable chemicals used as refrigerants in air conditioners, refrigerators, and freezers. Chlorofluorocarbons are also used in aerosol sprays, paints, solvents, and foam blowing applications. Although chlorofluorocarbons are safe in most applications and are inert in the lower atmosphere once chlorofluorocarbons vapors rise to the upper atmosphere, where they may survive from 2 to 150 years. They are broken down by ultraviolet light into chemicals that deplete the ozone layer. Global treaties have sought to reduce the production levels of chlorofluorocarbons. The manufacture of these chemicals ended, for the most part, in 1996, with exceptions for production in developing countries. Medical products, for instance, asthma inhalers, and research. Although newer air conditioners use a different product, older appliances may leak chlorofluorocarbons and should be properly disposed of to prevent further leakage. A buyer's representative may wish to advise the client to consider upgrading to newer, more energy efficient, and environmentally safe appliances. Only EPA certified technicians should do any work on a refrigeration system, especially the larger systems found in commercial and industrial buildings. Approved equipment should carry a label reading, "This equipment has been certified by ARI/UL to meet EPA's minimum requirements for recycling and recovery equipment." Mold. Mold can be found almost anywhere and can grow on almost any organic substance as long as moisture, oxygen, and an organic food source are present. Moisture feeds mold growth. If a moisture problem is not discovered or addressed, mold growth can gradually destroy what is growing on. In addition, some molds can cause serious health problems, including allergic reactions and asthma attacks. Some molds are known to produce potent toxins and or irritants. Some moisture problems in homes and buildings have been directly linked to recent changes in construction practices. Some of these practices have resulted in buildings that are too tightly sealed, preventing adequate ventilation. Building materials such as drywall may not allow moisture to escape easily. The material used in drywall wicks moisture to the nutrition source of glue and paper. Vinyl wallpaper and exterior insulation finish systems, EIFS, also known as synthetic stucco, also do not allow moisture to escape. Other moisture problems include